Kasorkar jela kena opai sengi lai podrek unailar arjar puar kelakhot ikinong elam nagi lightly ki autonomous district council ke jela kata Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, bat Garo Hills, banya merjumut hala ko cingtemu pentrikam ya ka CPC bat CRPC haboro koi ke jela. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor hadin kecingi kendu ban menteri rangba ke jela Konrad K Sangma nagaliang chief executive member ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat Titos W Khan ulaong bakila panpor nak sorkar jela arsengi bani syong perkhat bat kiriu tubit ain. Dak ba penpau bo menteri rangba ulaong bak cing pentrai kam ya ka CRPC bat CPC kan am kta bat pendu bor ki district council code ki subordinate code lani ki village code ubat Titos ulaong bak nang ekran badia merjumut halor kani ka phang.
Hakani ka sngi u nakaliang jong siam ula khat ingi ki lightly ki ADC ki chief step member jong ki lightly ki district council bat nakaliang ka Garo Hills lawan bikmat da deputy CM te kamat ka bangi ekran hakani ka sni ka de ya katuka proposal nakaliang ka government ka ban permi ya katuka notification ban extend ya ka CRPC ba ka CPC ha ka state ibarok kawe te hawat ha ka jingsi sia nakaliang jongi ka council ngila ay ya ka proposal ka jongi bangila ay ru ya ka jing persya ka jongi halo ka pan implement lani ban penmi ya ka ni ka notification ban pentrikam habarok kawe ka state te ngilayo ya ka ni ka call mentakasi kani ka jingkot kani ka meeting bat ngilai discuss ba bat ngilai deliberate ba nadu ba almost 1 hour mo ngilai ya discuss ba bat hadin ba ngilai kham ngam jelio halo kani ka jingtemu na kalian ka sarkar karai ka bakhadu ka bangi aim takasi kalong bakin ai por biang ngi ka ki council baru likely hapo arsingi ngini syong bat ki legal expert ki jungi pangin sawan rap da ka wepat ka proposal ya ka government hoi ka jingtemu jo ka sarkar pidi ban sutu angni ba ka ban ai bor ya kini ki judicial magistrate ki ba ka sarkar kala thum hadin bala secretariat ya ka executive bat ka judiciary itip ban shwa ban secretariat lani ban phia ya ka judiciary ba ka executive kamut u DC lani u additional district magistrate u judicial magistrate tenre hadin bala secretariat to ke gila mi mentagi judicial magistrate ha baru ki district headquarter bakum juru ha ki subdivisional level tenre kumbalong mentagi ni kimdon board ki kelampat confer ki ya kata ka power bakin trial ki case te na kata ka daw nakaliang government ka kwa ba kini ki court ki bala establishment ta hapo ki district bat kumjur ki subdivision bakin trekam no kenapa kan long ka jing mentoi hi na ka bantai jo ki pai ba ka e ka ba u CM mentau la assuring ki kalong ba ki court ki jongi jong ki district court jong ki district council court i ka bor ka bangidon kan num kta kanum dan kanunu ka jing kta ya ki district council court ki jongi ki bangidon wala da ka dei ki village court wala ka dei ya ka additional subordinate court tenrei habaya kren pat habaya dei bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kanunu kan notification ka ban permi na sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi haban pej benia ba na kata daw ngi kham shim bongo mentagas ngi bangi ong ban ai por biang ngi kumba arsi ngini syong nam sakhat MDC baro bania discuss ngani rekat ba legal team gajungi bat hadian bangi la syai ngin sa ai ka popsa kinia don la ka jong dan rena kaliang ka jungi ki laingut ki representative jo ki lai tali ki EDC ngin se kendu biang la kumno la sisi mo kamat ka bangi discuss ka ya katai ka bangi na kaliang ka jungi ngi persya na do basdang kalong ba ngiting ba hadin balakon bala penmi ngini notification kan kata ki district council court ki jungi den rei menta pat haga discussion ka bangi kendu CM bat ki deputy CM bat ki minister kalong ba ki penstu la batai ngi ba kanum kata ya ki district council court bagi district council court kin ya be ya kam kum bagi jule baru kata ka dei ka ba ki pensngau na kaliang ka chungki dan re ngala ong fi wala ka taru namarkan syong pat ha ni kan notification ngilayo ai kan draft notification bat re ngimpat suhun na ta ka daw ngi panpor biang bangi kwa bandaya ngam jeleu ya gani bat hadin bala syai bala sutu bakanum kata ya ki bor jongi ke district council ya katangi samanjor
Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad K Sangma hadin ke cingkendu bagi nongilam na ki ADC ulaong bak sarkar jela kamdan jingmu ban pendu ubor yagi yang kesyari district council
and clarifications were given to the district council that there was no question of diluting or infringing into the powers of the judicial powers of the district council. and that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. And the executive earlier used to take up cases, and that those powers were conferred, or they used to draw them from the 1937 Act. And once the judiciary and the executive was separated, the ADC judicial did not have the powers to continue, and hence the judicial magistrates came into being. And the fact that the judicial magistrates today are taking up cases, they have to be conferred power under some provisions. 1937 provisions were specific to the DCs, because that time in 37 there were only deputy commissioners. So the powers were conferred to the administrative, to the executive side, and there was no judiciary at that point in time. So hence the judicial magistrates will also have to draw powers from certain provisions in the constitution, and hence it is being suggested that it should be drawn from para 5. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner. That's the main purpose. But as I said, second part is there is no intention to dilute the powers of the district council, and the provisions and the powers of the district council are clearly mentioned in the constitution and the 6th schedule. So there's no question of in any way diluting those powers. So those discussions were made, and the council members and their legal team have understood the concerns, and they have asked for 24 hours to 48 hours in which they will go through the entire points that were mentioned and discussed, and they will get back to us. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to take it to the logical conclusion.